Well, all right now everybody, welcome back to the channel. In the last video we did that quick little locust pickup over there. Gonna make a glow-in-the-dark locust heart here coming up soon. So now we're gonna be moving on to this cherry wood. I showed you in the last video there's two piles of cherry wood, basically two large dump trailers full, a lot of wood. If you want to see it, go back and look at the previous video. It should be on there about picking up locust wood. And so we're just gonna make some cherry wood here today. I'm gonna buck this stuff up, get it split up. That's what we're doing. And it is July right now, so we brought a little 4th of July celebration here today now. So let's get going with the 4th of July celebration for everybody. Praise America and all that, and thank you to the good service people who defended our freedom. You've got mail. You've got mail. You've got mail. Woo! All right now. So, happy 4th of July, everybody. Let me get my chainsaw gear on and let's buck some wood. All right now. All right, everybody, I'm wearing my butt out. It's really hot. Camera's probably going to overheat, so let me turn this camera off. I'm going to finish bucking this wood. You know the deal. If anything interesting comes up, I'll show you. All right, now everybody, here's that load of that cherry calf Soxyla. I got it all bucked up. I don't think I got a complete truckload here. I might have to do a little bit more with this smaller wood on the end right here. Plenty of stuff I can just buzz up right there and fill out a truckload. But I am wore out, man. It's 90 degrees out here and just really hot. You get that kind of hot feeling where you're gonna pass out kind of hot, not just like, oh, it's hot. It's like I need to sit down in the air conditioning for a minute there. But I got this wood bucked up. There's a couple long pieces. You can see this piece is kind of long, just barely fits in the splitter. It's probably 22 inches. But that was part of a crotch. And in order to get that crotch separated, I had to move on out a few inches to get that crotch to drop off there as one piece. So not a big deal. I do not give a crap. That will burn. So anyways, that's going to be the video for today. I'm gonna get this split up. You guys will probably see that next time, me splitting this wood. So that's what I got right now. Check back next video to see if that filled up my truck and how much more wood I had to cut in order to fill up my truck. That'll be reported in the next video. I already counted. I think it's about 20. It's like 22 rounds. If you cut those in half and average it all out and everything, it's about 22 rounds, I think, maybe 24. So I probably need 30 to get a truckload. We're pretty close, but I'll see you guys next time. Once again, thanks for watching, and we'll be splitting this cherry wood next time.